In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on Slack. Whether you're working with a large Slack workspace or just need to get a better overview of your conversations, being able to adjust your view can really help manage your workflow efficiently. Stick around and I'll guide you through the steps. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to Slack. If you have the desktop app, you can use that as well. Just ensure you're connected to your Slack workspace to get started. If you're new to Slack or don't have it bookmarked, simply type slack.com into your address bar. This brings you to the main Slack webpage, a hub for all things Slack, including their productivity tools. Now that you're on the Slack homepage, you'll need to sign in. Look for the sign in with Google button, which is often the quickest and easiest method if your Slack account is associated with your Google account. Clicking this option will prompt you to choose the correct Google account, and within moments you'll find yourself logged into your Slack workspace. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your Slack dashboard. The central hub where all your channels and conversations reside is here you can manage your messages, navigate through different channels, and more. Before we proceed to the next step, ensure your dashboard looks comfortable enough to navigate, but if those letters look a tad too large or you feel the need to see more content at a glance, it's time to adjust. To zoom out on Slack, the keyboard shortcut is your best friend. Simply press Ctrl and the minus sign at the same time on your keyboard. Each time you press these two keys together, the content on your Slack screen will shrink in size, offering a broader view of your workspace. You might need to tap them a few times until you reach a comfortable viewing size. This little technique is especially useful if you're working on a larger monitor or if you prefer seeing more channels and messages at once. And there you have it, you've successfully zoomed out in Slack. This simple yet effective customization can dramatically improve how you interact with the app, giving you more control over your workspace layout. Remember, if you need to revert back to the original size, just hit Ctrl and the plus sign plus instead. Adjusting your view can help tailor your workspace to suit your personal preference and make the Slack experience much more comfortable for prolonged periods of work. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy slacking.